Hello, Body Candy babes. It's Allie. It's Thursday, which means it's time for the tea, which is very exciting. I will jump right out of the gate and say it. I am totally fine. I didn't do a live video last week like I normally do on Fridays, and I got so many messages, which I really appreciated, of people checking on me. But also, PSA, there will not be a live video again this week, but next week we will resume our normal live session on Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We'll continue to do our giveaways and look at some jewelry and all the fun stuff that we always do. We're gonna have really, really cool stuff to talk about when we get back, though. I promise. I am gone for a good reason. I'm really excited about what we're doing, but that's all the hype you get, is you just know something really awesome is happening, and I hope that you guys understand why I have been gone and why I will be gone for just one more week. It's horrible. I miss everybody so much, but also I am on all the social media, so if you're interested in still seeing my face and if you still want to talk to me, I'm always there. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at BodyCandy. Snapchat is bodycandy.com. We're on Facebook.com/bodycandybodyjewelry, YouTube.com/bodycandybodyjewelry, and of course Pinterest.com/bodycandy. So make sure you're hitting us up on all the places. This week, we're going to do a live video on one of our new products. So I'm sure you guys have hopefully seen already. We have been adding some other products to our website that are not necessarily jewelry. So last week, I showed you the new vitamin C from Christopher David that we're working with. We're an exclusive distributor for that, so that's super awesome. I've still been using it, and again, my makeup is sitting real nice, which I'm super into. Not that I've been doing my makeup a ton. I've definitely been trapped in the house and trying to let everything breathe. I think I took off my nail polish for the first time and didn't put it back on so that my nails can breathe in like 50 years. 50 for sure. But one of our awesome products, we actually have two of them, are these bath bombs, which I thought was a really good thing to show you / talk about while we're all stuck at home. So first and foremost, what is a bath bomb? You put it in the bathtub with you. So if you're a bath lover, these just add like a little bit of extra, little bit of extra bouginess, but without the bougie price of like going to a spa and dealing with people, having to put your clothes back on and like go outside and all that yucky stuff. You can just create your own little spa at home, which I love about these. They're made out of like citric acid, essential oils, things that are extremely safe for you to be sitting in. We've done rigorous testing. They are natural, vegan, cruelty-free, all the best things. They're made in Buffalo, New York, so they're made right here in the United States. In our facilities. So that's pretty cool as well. We currently have 2 scents. So we have the pink Himalayan sea salt and the frozen peppermint balm. And both of them are really awesome. The other really nice thing about these is they're like super relaxing. They smell nice. They like fizz and sizzle. And it's like that ASMR action a little bit. And also you smell amazing. Your skin is so soft when you get out of the bathtub. Also, you'll notice how big these are. Like, I love the size of these. Some people are like into short baths, which is totally fine. And these are of course going to work for that. They're going to be like the ultimate best if you take a short bath. But if you're like me, where you constantly keep putting hot water in and you sit there with a book and your iPad and you have a little tray that holds all of your goodies and things like that, it's really nice to have a product that like lasts with you. So really, really love that. Some of the other bombs I've tried, like they are gone in like 2 seconds. That's annoying for me because I'm like, do I use another one? Like, what do I do here? So these are great. Also, they're just like really nice scents. I can't even get over that. This has got like a little bit of like vanilla to it as well. So it's like a warm peppermint as opposed to just being like, oh, I'm sitting in a York peppermint patty. It's really, really subtle. And there's also glitter in this one. Glitter that's very easy to wipe up when you are done. Make sure you wipe down your tub as soon as you're done. Makes it a lot easier. I also love Mr. Clean Magic erasers. I feel like I don't even have to like think about anything. Although these, I've used a ton of them and my tub hasn't stained at all. So if anybody's interested in knowing that, yeah, so, and also these are just $6.99 on our website, and they're available now. So you can do an ultimate little treat yourself day. You order some jewelry. You actually get 2 treat yourself days out of this. Okay, you ready? Day 1, order jewelry, a bath bomb. We also have candles, some vitamin C serum. Get all the goodies ordered, right? Second day of treat yourself, the day that you receive it. And then you get like a whole little, oh, I'm gonna sit in my little bathroom spa. And then you can put on your new jewelry. You feel so nice and fresh. I know that sounds really stupid, but I think we're all very cooped up. At least I'm feeling very cooped up. And I know that little bits of things like this are just helping me take care of myself. Definitely important to continue with self-care. Add some self-care while y'all have extra time. If you are an essential worker, especially our nurses and doctors and all that stuff, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Anybody that's working in a hospital, we appreciate you so much. And you totally deserve one of these for when you are home. So everybody deserves a little treat yourself time. And make sure you're taking care of yourselves physically and mentally. It's super important. I love you all. I'll be back next Thursday for the tea. Again, don't forget, I'm taking this Friday off for Facebook Live, but it will return hopefully next week unless something changes. I'll let y'all know. And yeah, we'll be back to normal business. Again, we're doing something really cool. So hoping that you are excited and pumped about what you see when we get there. Also, these shirts are available on our website in this font, as well as like a little sassy script font. So you can kind of like tell people to F off a little bit, but like a girly fashion, which is my favorite thing. So yeah, please wash your hands, y'all. Please stay home, protect people. I love you. I'll be back. Don't forget about Dear Allie on Saturday too. If you have any questions, you can email me, dearallie@bodycandy.com, and you might see your question responded to in an email. So don't forget about that. I'll see you all later. Bye.